Okay, so we've got a 2019 Toyota Corolla ZR Hybrid, automatic hatchback in black, travelled 10,900 kilometres and immaculate. Tinted windows, it's 10,000 k's old. Front sensors, reverse sensors, camera. Take a look at the interior. So yeah, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, accident collision warning system, 10,000 k's, satellite navigation, reverse camera, dual zone climate air conditioning, automatic transmission, electric handbrake, electric seats, sort of a suede leather interior, but they're a sports seat, a couple of keys. There's your back seat there, like new. Just to show you inside the boot. So a nice big boot, I'll even throw in the floor mats. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.